Hey there, Seahorse here. I have a tiny progress update for you from Indome Pool. While we have not completed a major aspect of the build, we have accomplished a few mini projects I would like to share with you in this video. The first thing we did this week was have the permanent ventilation fan installed. This will move all the toxic DBPs or disinfection byproducts like chlorimides from the water surface and deck level of the dome. We have a solar-powered roof vent, but this does little to improve the air quality in the dome, as DBPs, being heavier than air, collect at the bottom of the air column over the water surface and on the surrounding concrete pad deck. The new variable speed fan went in and works very effectively to keep air quality fresh and, most importantly, safe. If you would like to know more about the fan, let me know in the comments. Once the fan was installed, we could move forward with finishing the panels along the bottom row. As such, 2 of them went in this week. One panel that had the ventilation fan within it, and the second panel being adjacent to the fans panel. And finally, the third mini project we completed this week was to utilize all of the leftover stone dust from the pool relining project to shore up and prevent any more erosion from occurring around the concrete pad deck upon which the dome sits. As always, there will be a funny little song to accompany the rest of the video showing our 3 mini projects this week. I hope you enjoy.
Here on the domestead, got a tiny progress update, 'cause at Indome Pool, any progress is deemed great. As I'm sure you've heard, good things come in threes. Before I say one more word, you know it's gonna be 1 ventilation fan installed, 2 panels fixed and sealed, 3 yards of stone dust moved, yeah, moved across the yard. Fan clears toxic chlorimides, yeah, blows them out the dome, and panels secured aside so bugs don't make this their home. Stone dust was covered up so it would stay dry. Was it still a pain to move by hand? Yeah, I'm not one to lie, I really wanted to quit moving it by bucket. Was ready to give up, you know, and just say chuck it. But we persisted moving rocks, just trying to beat the rain. Dust in our hair and in our socks, our work was not in vain. As I'm sure you've heard, good things come in threes. Before I say one more word, you know it's gonna be 1 ventilation fan installed, 2 panels fixed and sealed, 3 yards of stone dust moved, yeah, moved across the yard. Here on the domestead, got a tiny progress update, 'cause at Indome Pool, any progress is deemed great.
If you had fun watching this video, hitting those like and subscribe buttons really helped me to continue making videos like this. Thanks for watching.